Just a quick video today on how to clean your stainless steel jewelry. We have these cleaning pads that we send you with each order you place, and most of our jewelry is stainless steel. All the chains, the findings, the chaton settings, most of the charms, the images that are set are stainless steel. Just take this polish pad that's infused with a jeweler's rouge, and you can just rub gently, and you can see it brings up the shine really nice on that. Usually a stainless steel bracelet has about 2 to 3 months of wear before it starts to oxidize a little bit. Now, it won't tarnish, but it'll oxidize, which means it's just going to pick up the dirts and oils from the environment and so forth. So you're going to want to go ahead and polish each charm. You're going to want to run the polish pad across the chain. You see the dirt? And then you're going to want to run the polish pad around the frame with the images. Don't forget the back. And go ahead and take the engraved charms, give them a nice rub so that they shine up really beautiful. What you'll find is that the Swarovski crystals, the chaton settings, and the wire wraps we do for your jewelry can get a little dingy. So you can just take a soft cloth, wipe it, and then it'll come up really nice. Also, go ahead on the enamel charms, you just use a soft cloth on them, and those will shine up really nice. So you don't want to use these pads that are infused with rouge because it has a slight abrasive. You don't want to use them on your glass, your crystals, or your enamel charms. Clean it once every 3 months. It'll last you for years. Thanks so much.